Welcome to the Business Behind the Scene podcast with Francesca Moi, where we talk all about real business problems, real solutions, and getting actual results in your business. Hello, and welcome to episode 232 of Business Behind the Scene. I sometimes have to pinch myself because this means that 232 episode means that I've been running this podcast for 4.5 years. I can't believe it. So that's because you are listening. That's because you're giving us feedback. That's because you're giving us reviews. And so thank you. We are super grateful to you. And we have some really good ideas for this year. So stay tuned for what's happening. So today's episode, I would love for you to know about something that I've noticed from a lot of my clients. So hopefully you will resonate. People come to me and they say, my revenue is plateau. And for sure, I need to do more marketing. I need to spend more money on marketing. I need to put a marketing person on, or I need to run more ads. Let's talk about this today, because is it really your marketing if your business plateauing? Don't know. Hello, everybody. My name is Francesca Moi, and I'm the founder and owner of Empowering Virtual Solution, where we provide offshore staff members for businesses in Australia where they are stuck in the business and the team is stuck in the business, and so they want to scale, they want to grow, and they know that the only way is to have capacity is to hire offshore. And that's what we do. That's what we come in. We've got 84 clients at the moment, and we're super excited, and we are growing every single week, which is so cool. So today we want to talk about something that most CEOs often get wrong, which is, oh my gosh, my revenue is plateauing and I don't know why, and I'm guessing it must be my marketing. Because when growth stalls, everyone runs straight to marketing. I don't know what it is. But nine times, maybe 9.5 times out of 10, it's not about marketing. Well, partially, but it's mostly the operation. So we don't have a lead problem. We have a capacity problem. So this is what the truth is for a lot of my clients. If their back end, it's already stretched, then they cannot really take any more clients. So more leads will actually break their business even faster. But they think, oh, let's just get more money in, so more clients, and then hopefully that will go well, and then we'll put more team. But something is not right. We need to first have enough capacity for us to grow the business, and then you will see energetically the business will come. It's so magical when that happens. So your team can only deliver so much, and when they hit a ceiling, probably your revenue also blocks in the same spot. So honestly, I've seen that so many times. The reason why things stop growing is because your team is overloaded, and that's when everything slows down, because onboarding takes longer. If they've got more clients, they're stuck, right? They cannot do that. So onboarding takes longer, clients wait for updates, tasks are rushed, and obviously that causes mistakes, mistakes increase, and delivery drops. And when all these happen, growth doesn't stop because demand is low, but it stops because your team is stuck. They cannot handle anymore. And so what we found from a lot of our clients is that they've got local staff members, and they think because they're paying them local staff members, they can handle more, which is often not the case. And so what you want to do is that you want to put someone offshore to support these people, and that's what our clients are doing. That's why it's working. So they put a Filipino VA to build the space the business need. So a trained virtual assistant will take over the repetitive task of your team, the essential tasks like email scheduling, CRM, follow-up, reporting, clients care, onboarding the clients, emails, the emails I already said it, but it's too important. And when those tasks leave your team's plate, then they suddenly have room to do the actual job. So they have more capacity for more clients. They have more capacity to look after, to train, to onboard, and all those things, which means your business gets more revenue. So it's the chicken of the egg. Do I get the marketing first, or I get more clients? But then if nobody can look after the clients, then you're going to be stuck again. And it's not a good place to be. So I always say invest in the business. So all the money that you're making, put it back into the business. Hire someone before you can afford it, before your business is ready, so that you can really set the expectation for the business growth. So you can have really that path to success. So your business can only grow as far as your operation allows. This is priceless. I'm going to say this again. Your business can only grow as far as your operation will allow. So you cannot pour more water into a full cup. And right now, probably your cup is already overflowing. So your next level isn't a marketing tweak, isn't making more money, putting more money in ads, isn't hiring another marketing person. It's operation support. Make sure that your business can handle more business. And as I said before, energy flows. When your business is ready to take more, it will come. It will come through referral, it will come the other way. And then at that point, when it's coming, then you can also do the marketing if you want to. There's no problem at all with that. I love marketing, it's important. So here's a reflection for you today. Is your growth capped because your team cannot handle anymore? Check that out. Chat with your team, have a look at what they're doing. What I often do at this point is do like an audit of the time. And I often say to them, I'm doing this audit of your time so that I can see what you can handle. If you cannot handle things anymore, I'm going to put someone to support you so that you guys can grow together. Right. So this is going to help me to understand, because I don't want you to work overtime. I don't want you to kill yourself to do the work done. So I want to support you. So if you do an audit for me, which usually there's a bit of resistance with him, but if you frame it properly, they will do it. And that will allow you to understand who are your A players, who are your B players, who are your C players, and really understanding where is your next hire. Very important. And what is your next investment in the business. So let me know how you go in the comments, in the reviews, and I'll see you next episode. Hope you have a great day, everybody. See you next time. Thank you so much for listening to this amazing podcast. Now, if you enjoyed this, you're definitely going to love my Facebook group where I've got over 11,000 people in it, and they're all business owners successful like you. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge, and in there I do classes every week, and I get to interview my clients, and I get to teach you all the things that I've done to get my business to 100K plus a month. So I look forward to have you in there. It's called the Successful Entrepreneur Lounge Facebook group in Facebook. I look forward to see you there. Ciao.